Hello, welcome to the daily Forex report for January 30th. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This pair broke to the downside, broke through previous areas of support, closed lower. We are looking for it to continue in that direction. However, if it does move higher, look for some resistance around 76.75 and look for some support around 76.20. Now looking at the Euro-USD pair, this pair closed down during this last session, did break the previous session's high though. We are still looking for it to move to the upside, possibly going as high as 133.03, possibly as low as 129.93. Look for some resistance around 132.27 and look for some support around 130.75. Pound US dollar pair, this pair moved to the upside, created an inside bar, closed down a little bit, still looking for it to move higher, possibly going up to 157.99, possibly down to 155.81. Look for some resistance around 157.37 and look for some support around 156.37. Now the US Swiss pulled back today during today's session, did break the previous session's low. We're still looking for it to move lower, possibly going up to 0.9268 on a reversal, possibly moving down to 0.9061. Look for some resistance around 0.9205 and look for some support around 0.9115. Okay, look for as far as news announcements go, we have the German releasing their Germany's releasing their unemployment change for January, which will affect the euro at 3:55 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that it has moved higher from a negative 22k up to a negative 5k, which would be good news for the euro. Also at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we have the gross domestic product for Canada being released for November. The consensus on that one is that it has moved higher just a little bit from 0.0% up to 0.2%. Now, we have the Chinese releasing their PMI manufacturing at 8 p.m. Eastern. For January, consensus on that is that it's dropped a little bit from 50.3 down to 49.6. Well, that about wraps us up on that part. Now, as far as what I'm looking for during this next session, if we go to the pound US dollar pair and zoom in a little bit, actually let's zoom back out. We have a trend line that's developed over the past little bit. You can see during today's session we tagged that trend line to the downside. But we also created an inside bar. You can see here that we have a little bit more room to go to the upside before we hit another area of previous resistance. So what we are looking for is a breakout of this particular pair to the upside. There we go. Looking to grab just a quick few pips, not a lot, going in around the 157.38 mark and then looking to exit about 31 pips up at 157.70. Hope that helps, and until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.